But she say, man, I'm not bad. Pop on my dog. My pastor said this week your blessings go come. Agent one tie loud, waiting for my dawn. My gossip, my mom, yeah, my testimony. Agaya, you go do na room. Say my can suck it, Jesus. Ungazi choku di obodobo, not the obodobo. Agaya di obodobo, Aga Jehovah di obodobo. Hey, Ungazi choku di obodobo, not the obodobo. I've got my hopes high. Before Belancho guys be mine. Waging one time. Pan and Colonel Changos Musa. And they walk go die. Bomba CK this week. Mwaga for sleep. I'm waking. You see my destiny. Touching out all the anointed. You never been silly. Guy, don't you hit stead. If I ain't in trouble, no. I'm no gas, no juju. Also, oh Lord, thank you. Agaya, you go do.
Last year, I zero shares. Now we say I need three because be fair, I zero years. Now my son had them night be fair, I zero girls. If you check my mom, I am million now, I zero tears. You could be coming when zero fears. I kept on grinding and believing. And get changing is it's loud. Now got up all night with JBL landlord, I said on the loud. Now I'm on a landlord, they be say, in the couple way made you say, I would tell you, Kegano, but when the ball I you know, make a day. I got you over, go, if you know, Moko. Now I'm getting paid to go, and go see Mudo. I got you over, go, if you know, Moko. Now I'm getting paid to go, and go see Mudo. I got you go na room. Somebody can suck it, Jesus. Ungazi choku di obodobo, not the obodobo.
Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I woke up my normal time. This is 5:59. Though I woke up a little bit late. I slept late yesterday. Personal reasons, yes, why I slept late. Actually, and I'll be also leaving town today. But that's by the way. I'm not here to tell you guys what's going on in my personal life. So this is around about time where we're looking at the market and we kind of see some setup being printed out on the charts, and yeah, I decided to jump on the live stream just like I normally do it right around here, right? And so part of what I'm looking for, this is on BTC perpetual contract. Forex doesn't trade on weekends, and this is Saturday, so there is no current open market on Forex, but crypto trades around the clock. Both on weekends and weekdays, crypto is still trading. So I just looked at the BTC, and we are kind of showing some good signs of good setup based on what I normally look out for in the market. And part of it is this the market structure, how it's looking here. So we came all the way from this bottom part here, right, tapping into this big fair value gap you guys can see here. Let me draw it out. It's a very big one. We have a fair value gap here, right? A very big one. You see how the market came, tapped into it. It's facing some sort of resistance at that level. So what I'm speculating, or what I'll be speculating based on what I'm seeing on the chart, is if we're able to change the structure, this is an internal structure anyway, because the general market outlook for BTC is still bearish, at least on the 5 minutes time frame. I'm not talking about other time frame, right? You know, there are different time frames. We have the daily time frame. These are it here. So we have the daily, the 4 hour, the 3 hour, the 2 hours, the 1 hour, etc. Even the day, 1 week. So if I should open, maybe let me open the 1 hour for example. If I should open the 1 hour for example, well, looking at it, you can see the market is still bearish based on the market structure. Obviously you can see that, right? So more or less, if we are taking longs in the market, we are actually trading against the trend, right? But it's part of the game. So if you see a very good setup for longs in a bearish market, there are two things. It's either you are looking for at the point if the market is going to reverse, or you are looking for those intermediate or interval pullbacks, because the market offers some level of pullback. Even if it's in the bull market or in the bear market, there are pullbacks here and there. I give an example. So let's see at this level. No. Okay. Let's use this guy for example. I'm a little bit digressing of why I'm here, but yeah. Let's look at this channel here, right? If you look at this channel here, you can see that the market is coming down, but there are still pullbacks where the market goes up. For example, it came down here, went up, 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 came down here, went up. It started going up here, but in as much as it was going up, you can still see that it went up, came down, went up, came down. So those are the pullbacks that occur even in a trending market, right? So that's why I'm now saying that in as much as the move we see here is bearish, you can see the way the market came all the way down here. What we are looking for, if we can trade the pullback that will occur here, maybe take our profit at this level here, or maybe at this level here. That's if it's going to give us a good ROI, I think it's something you can look into, and that's exactly what we are doing right here, right? And the first step that I would want the market to do, is first of all break above this high here, this particular high here. That's why I drew the line all the way to this level here. Well, I'll show you just in case if you don't know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about this line here. I'm talking about this guy here, this high here. You see where my arrow is pointing? Yeah. So if the market is able to break that level, which we are waiting for it to do so here, if it breaks it, that's the first step. The second step now is, let me drag it all the way here, right? So if the market should break above it and close above it, that's the first step. Then the second step now is to wait for the market to retrace in our OTE, optimal trade entry. I believe that's the term. That's an ICT, inner circle trader thing, if I will put it like that. So assuming the market breaks above and start coming back down, this is what I'll be looking for. Maybe here, something of this nature. So if we can get the market to break above, come back, tap into this one of these three imbalances that we'll have here, maybe we'll take the first one. Then what we'll be looking for is to take the market all the way up.
My pastors in this week, your blessings go come. Aging one tie loud, waiting for my turn. My gossip, my mom,
We'll be looking to take our profit in this area here, but ideally the last point I would want to recommend to take profit will be here. I don't see the reason why they would want to break above, because if they break above, well, I'm trying to see if there is any imbalance lying above here. Do we have one here? I think we have one here. We have one here, maybe the one here is already medicated. What I mean medicated, it means they've already tested it. That was the one they tested before going down, but they might still use that level to either reverse or take their profits from trading the pullback up. So you can see this guy is already mitigated. This guy was mitigated, but not all of the gap was used. So this is what I'm looking out for in this market. So ideally, if we should get that break, what did I just do now? But this is what I'm looking out for, because I don't want to waste further time here. I want to keep the stream short, and I'm not taking this stream for you guys for me to stay for a very long time here. So this is it here. I'll be going for, if this is the level here, I'll look at the left. I might put my stop loss maybe here. Okay, well, here you see. Something of this nature. Then I'll be taking my profits all the way up here. But just so you know, before we take that, like I pointed out, the first thing I would want the market to do is break this level first. So this is the market telling us that, okay, I think we want to go up. So I would want it to break this blue line here. Once it breaks it, I want it to retrace back into this area that we'll have here. Then we'll now go for the longs all the way up there. So in order to give you guys a recap, I'm going to write it out. Also, I'm doing this also for myself because it helps me to keep record of my trades. That's one of the reasons why I also do live streaming, is because it helps me to keep record of my trades, right? So this is what I'm looking out for on BTC. So first of all, we need a break and close above the last high created. Now, as a matter of fact, let me do this properly. I'll use this arrow. I'll just write it here. How do I do this to be neat? I want it to be neat. I don't want my chart to be that dirty. What's going on here? Let me refresh this. I don't know why that is messing up. Okay, so we first of all need the market to break above this level. So I'm going to note that out. So this is on the 5 minutes. So if you want to tag along with this trade, you can go to your chart, go to the 5 minutes time frame. level to break. So this is the level we would want it to break, right? Did I say levy? Level to break, right? So if the market should break above and close above this level here, that's the first step, right? Then the second step, is market should tap into this area. This is our imbalance here after breaking above. So I'll add that also there. I'm going to add that here right about now. So market should retrace in our imbalance. I'll just write it as the acronym fair value gap. So once we have these two things, right? So the first thing is break above this high, right? The second thing is retrace back into the fair values or the imbalances that was created here. Then we'll be taking the market all the way by TP1. So if you want to be more conservative, you can do this level. This level is about risk reward of 1:2.5, which is good. So this is the first level to take your profit. Then other levels, you can look out for this level here. So I will just note this out. This is our TP1. Here is our TP2. And what I mean by TP is take profit of the TP2. Well, ideally I would want the TP2 because it's going to give us more returns, right? But if you just want to be conservative, you don't want to be in the market that long, trust me, TP1 is enough, right? That is if we are right based on our bias, based on our analysis, right? So that's it. Okay, so now we have the break. As you guys can see, we had a break and we closed above it, right? Which is good. So the first step is already complete. The next step now is for us to have a pullback, right? So once we get a pullback, that would be nice. We're already 18 minutes in. I would want to keep this stream as small as possible. So right now I'm going to, since we had the break, I'm going to open up my my Binance and look for entries. But first of all, I want the market to start pulling back down. I would like it to start pulling back down. I want it to start pulling back down. You can decide to enter at this level, that is 42668. Yeah, as a matter of fact, let me just place the put the pending order. So we are risking 0.37%. If you are using the highest leverage made available on Binance, that will be risking about 100%, because the leverage I currently have on my Binance is about 170 something. So that would be times whatever it is there. I'll be right back. Let me get my mobile. I want to transfer little funds on my margin account so that we will be able to place this order. Oh, yeah. I want to do it via my phone. I don't want you guys to see my balance on my Binance. Or maybe I can actually open it without you guys seeing. No, don't worry. Let me just get my phone.
My gosso, my mom, yeah, my testimony. Agaya, Diogo, Dogo, Narum. Ungazi Choku, Diogo, Dogo, not Diogo, Dogo. Agaya, Diogo, Dogo. Aga, Diogo, Dogo, Dogo. Hey, Ungazi Choku, Diogo, Dogo, not Diogo, Dogo. I've got my hopes high. Before Belancho guys be mine. Waging one time. Pan and Colonel Changos Musa. When they walk go die. Bomba CK this week. Mwaga for sleep. I'm waking. You see my destiny. Touch not all the anointed. You may been silly. Guy, don't you hit dead. If I ain't in trouble, no. I'm no gas, no juju. Also, oh Lord, thank you. Agaya, Diogo, Dogo.
Okay, I'm back. Let me head to the Binance platform. I'm gonna refresh. Okay, so first of all, disclaimer guys, I wouldn't advise anybody to use their life earned money. So you can try paper trading. This is not financial advice, so I won't be here telling you guys to use your money. And I remember I always say that I'm not a professional trader. I'm still learning, and part of my learning is part of what I'm doing here, right? So I just want to put it out there so that nobody would feel bad if you trade with your life money. I'm trading with my life money, as you guys can see, but I'm using a very small amount, very small amount. It's so small that you can't even, I don't think you can withdraw it from Binance. I don't think you can withdraw $1, but I know I place trades with $1, $2, $3, right? Because I'm trying out. This is my learning first. Yeah, so, and I wouldn't advise anybody to just go use your life and money and start executing trades that you're not even confident of what you're doing in it, right? But every new level has the beginning stage, so you can say this is the beginning stage. But yeah, let me stop the whole motivational speech and place my order, right? So but I think I would wait a little bit, because part of my entry level will be determined by how far the market is going to go into this area and how far we are going to get a pullback. So I'll wait. Patience is the key. So at this level now, I can remove this. Our TP still remains this 2 level. Trust me, our TP still remains this 2 level. But the way the market is going now, it seems like they want to expand to take out these levels here. Maybe they will take it out before giving us that pullback. But the good news is that the first level is already the first stage of our what we are expecting from the market is already played out, and that is the market. We want the market to break this level. As you guys can see, it already broke that level, closed above it, and it is already making moves going to the top, right? So here now I will just remove this. and this, right? So since those levels have been broken, so I'll remove them. So what I'm looking out for now is a very nice pullback, a very nice retracement back. Then we'll now take longs from, whatever level that we deem to be fair, we deem to be our optimist entry point. And part of how I come up with that is I use my Fibonacci tool to draw it out. I take it from the last low to the last high I created, right? Then I'll look for the retracement quickly in our optimal trade entry. For you guys that don't know what I'm talking about, optimal trade entry, I will always advise you guys to go do your research. This is heavily dependent on ICT, inner circle trader. So I wouldn't be here to claim that I'm the originator of the no. I didn't create anything. All I did was watch videos and read articles and learn from other professional traders, because that's the only way to learn. You just have to learn from the people that are already in that field, in that field that you want to go into, right? So it's heavily on dependent on ICT concept, that is inner circle trader. I think I'm subscribed to his YouTube channel. You can look it up. This is not me promoting his channel. To be honest, I don't even think I need to promote his channel because he has good number of subscribers. I'm talking about the guy himself, the ICT guy himself. And if you are into the trading ecosystem or world, you would hear most of the time, at least 60% of the time, people talk about ICT, SMC, and those concepts were developed by this particular guy I'm telling you about. So yeah, he's an awesome dude, and he's very, very cocky in the sense that even from his videos you could see he's a proud motherfucker. He'll use words like, I'm not telling you just for you to try, I'm telling you what is going to happen. He's so confident and so certain in what he's saying, right? So yeah. Okay, so I think I might be closing the stream soon. This is already 27 minutes into the stream, and part of the thing I wouldn't want is my stream to be that long. So but let's see if we can wait for it to retrace back. If it's going to retrace back on time, maybe we'll capture it here on our live stream. That will be good, because now I have more videos to show you guys in the future when we actually started analyzing the market. And the good part of it is when our analysis is correct, and you're seeing your money being printed the right way, it feels good, what I'm saying, but I just want to put it out there also that trading is a risky game, so you shouldn't put your, well, I say, emotions or bank on it, because it's a very, very risky game to play. But the good part of it is if you have a good understanding of what you're doing, and you have a good strategy, and you have a good risk management, and you know how to manage money, and you're very, very good in budgeting, and you're good in not acting out of your emotions, and you're good at being disciplined, and you're good at living a good life, and you're good at managing your time, and you're good at basically anything that is personal to you, I think you'll be a good trader. Why am I mentioning all these things? Well, to be honest, people feel trading is easy. It's not easy. Trust me, it's not. It's frustrating, it's demoralizing, it can put you through tons of depression phases, I don't know if there is any phases like depression, but if it's like depression level 1, it will take you down to the highest level of the depression you can get. That is if you don't know what you're doing. It's very, very frustrating. And to make matters worse, if you're using your real money, damn, I'm sorry, but with all these things said, I'm not trying to discourage anybody. I'm just trying to encourage you to, put in the work. And me saying this on the live stream here also is not for you guys only. It's also for me, because whenever I'm making this live stream and I'm saying things, I'm actually also talking to myself, to be honest. So, yeah. Okay, so in the next candle, I think I'm going to close this trade in the next candle. But trust me, what we are looking out for at this point now is we want the market has already broken out from the level we wanted, right? So what we are looking out for is a good retracement, then we'll enter for a long. This is the market. The overall market formation is bearish, so you have to be careful, because this move is more or less us trading against the trend. So in order to be more conservative, I would advise you guys to take your profit on the TP1. That is if you ever get to enter this position, right? I'll advise you to take it on TP1. TP2, yeah, is okay, but due to the fact that the market is bearish, the market might decide to do this. We are waiting for the pullback. So first of all, the pullback into this area, then a continuation that will take us maybe here, maybe slightly above here. We will see some level of maybe some sideways move. So this sideways move will determine if we are going to reach here, or if we are just going to be doing this and gradually fall off and continue going down. So this is the first one. The second one that might play out is maybe the market might decide to give us a good retracement. The first step is the retracement back into the imbalance we have there. Hit this TP1, maybe start giving us that choppy move here, then decides to hit here, another choppy move, maybe break above, hit into this fair value here, then starts coming down like this, right? So these are the two moves that I'm speculating, and me speculating doesn't mean that's what the market is going to do. Let me also put it out there. Only speculation doesn't mean that's what the market is going to do. Remember, the market is independent of whatever we say. Even if I come here and be like, okay, yeah, the market is going up, here's the market structure, here's the low, here's the high. Trust me, bro. Trust me, sister. The market will make you cry. It will confuse you if you don't know what you're doing. It will just put you everywhere. So the good thing is, you should have a strategy. You should have a set of rules that you follow, right? So those set of rules that you follow is what is going to guide you, is what is going to keep you grounded, while you embark on this very, very amazing, adventurous, and exciting but deadly journey, right? So that's what's up, guys. And yeah, let's get back to the chart. I honestly want to close the stream, but I just feel like I would want to stay a little bit longer to see if we are going to reach the point where we will enter the market. At least if I'm able to get to that point, then I'll close the stream, because I know for sure that maybe a couple of guys that might be watching us live would be interested to see how this plays out. I'm sorry if you're hearing sounds. I'm walking around a bit, so yeah, that's it, guys. I'll be right back. No, I'm right here, but when I mean I'll be right back, I'm gonna be done talking a bit, so I will focus on the chart, and maybe we might have other view or see what's going on other crypto pairs we have here. So this is on BTC, right? I trade more of BTC compared to other pairs, right? Since BTC is like the main guy, he's the one that drives the crypto market, right? So that's why I'm sticking with BTC. So right now, this is what we expect. These are the two moves. The first move I already explained that. The second move I already explained that. Now we are getting some nice rejection candle. That's nice. So if we're going to tap into this area, we'll go for longs.
Blessings will come. Aging one die loud, waiting for my dawn. My gospel, my mom, yeah, my testimony. I've got my upside. Before Balancho guys be mine. Waging one die. Pan and Colonel Jungles Musa. And they walk go die. Bomba CK this week. Mwaga for sleep, I'm waking. You see my destiny. Touching out all the anointed. If I ever see it, guy, don't you hit dead. If I ain't in trouble, no. I'm no gas, no juju. Also, oh Lord, thank you.
Well, okay, so I'm going to close the stream right now. This is already 38 minutes into the stream, and one of the reasons why I'm going to close it is maybe for other users that or YouTubers that would want to watch the video. I wouldn't want it to be that long, so that yeah, because I figured out people don't like watching long videos, you know what I'm saying. So though I would jump on the live stream again if we get to see something that I would want to share with you guys. So with that said, I just want to make my final comments on our setup here before closing the live stream. As you guys can see, we are kind of coming back down, which is good, right? So we want the market to come down, tap into this imbalance we have here, then move up. So I'm going to place an open order right, so that you guys will see it yourself. So I'll be using 10% of $13 is bro. That'll be $1.03. So I'll just do 20. I'll just do 20%, right? I'll do 20 limit order, right? Yes, limit order. Our entry point is 42672. 42672. We'll come here and put it 42672 point what again? 0.6. Our stop loss is at 42400.4. 42400.4. 42400.4. That's our stop loss. And our take profit is at 43 all the way here, but if I'm managing the trade, I'll be, if it reaches TP1, I'll take partial profit and leave the rest to run, or maybe I will just leave it, let it run, but you just have to manage your trade properly. So if the profit at TP1 is enough for you, I will advise you to take it. Else you can move your stop loss to break even and allow the market to run all the way up there. So that's it. I have added my stop loss. I want to add my take profit, so my take profit will be on the TP2, but I'm not going to place it right exactly on TP2. As you guys can see, I placed it slightly below because I would want to leave the market on time if it decides to come towards our direction, right? So I'll be putting 43908 as my take profit. 43908. 43908 point, I think it's 0.2. Okay, 0.3. Right, everything here is in order. So 42672.6 is our entry price. Our take profit is at 43908.3. Our stop loss is at 42400.4. so yes, so we have an open order right here. Let's see how this is going to play out. And so yeah, I'm going to leave the drawing, right? And we'll see how it plays out. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. I have to go right about now. For you guys that love what we're doing here, you know what to do. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and whenever I do this live stream every day of the week, but I don't have particular time that I do the live stream. Maybe I'll figure out a way to schedule the live streaming, but I live stream when I'm seeing good setup in the market. So in order for you to follow up on that, the best way is to subscribe and turn on your notification bell, so whenever we go live, you will always get the notification that we are going live, right? So that way you can join us. If you love what we're doing here, you can join us and pretty much learn, and also execute trades with your demo accounts. I know I'm saying that this is not financial advice, So I hope you guys have a good, wonderful weekend, and yeah, let's see what BTC is going to do for us for today. And with that said, I'll be going right about now. Hope you do have a wonderful day. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.